Hope that you all are well. Today in this video we are just going to talk here about the chapter money. Under this chapter we are just going to talk here about the meaning and the features of the barter system. Initially we will start with the meaning of the barter system. Before starting the barter system, I would like to tell you something related with the barter system. We know that at a primitive time or at a primitive stage, or we can say just at an old time, the needs of the people was limited. At that time the economic development was also limited. At that time the people of a particular area used to live a village life, and at that time they generally used to exchange the commodity for a commodity. Means at that time if a person want to just fulfill his needs or a want with a different commodity, so they used to just exchange the commodity for a commodity. This exchangement of a commodity for a commodity was known as barter. As we are able to see here, the barter system. So under the barter system, the word barter mean exchange of commodity for another commodity. मीन्स यहाँ पे बार्टर का मतलब है जहां पर कमोडिटी के साथ एक्सचेंज होती है, उसको हम बार्टर कहते हैं. नाउ लेट अस डिस्कस हियर अबाउट द बार्टर सिस्टम. व्हाट वी मीन बाय द बार्टर सिस्टम? बार्टर सिस्टम इज अ सिस्टम इन विच गुड एंड सर्विसेज आर एक्सचेंज फॉर अनदर गुड एंड सर्विसेज विदाउट द हेल्प ऑफ मीडियम ऑफ एक्सचेंज लाइक मनी. मीन्स यहाँ पर ये कहा जा रहा है कि ये एक ऐसा सिस्टम है जिसके अंदर कमोडिटी के साथ एक्सचेंज होती है विदाउट द हेल्प ऑफ मीडियम ऑफ एक्सचेंज लाइक मनी. Just we are going to talk here about the present time. Suppose we know that in a present time each and every commodity value is just fixed in term of money. So whatever the commodity today we just intake in this present time, so we used to just pay money in exchange of that commodity. Means if we just purchase a commodity, so we have to just pay money in exchange of a commodity. So the things which we are paying in exchange of any commodity, that is considered as a medium of exchange. So today in this present time money act as a medium of exchange. But if we just talk here about the old time during the barter system, so there was no any medium of exchange like money. So at that time the people used to exchange commodity for a commodity. So now let us talk here about the barter exchange. What we mean by the barter exchange? Barter exchange is a direct exchange of commodity for a commodity without the help of medium of exchange like money. If we speak barter system or we speak barter exchange, both mean the same. Under these there is a direct exchangement of a commodity for a commodity without the help of medium of exchange like money. Already we have discussed here. Now we are just talking here about the CC economy. The economy in which commodity is exchanged for commodity that is known as CC economy. Here both C stand for commodity means ऐसी इकोनॉमी जिसके अंदर कमोडिटी ही कमोडिटी के साथ एक्सचेंज होती है उसको हम सीसी इकोनॉमी बोलते हैं। तो हेयर बार्टर एक्सचेंज और बार्टर सिस्टम both are the part of CC economy, or directly we can say barter exchange as a CC economy, because under these the commodities are exchanged with a commodity. So this was about the introductions related with the barter system, and next we will just talk about the features of the barter system. Now next we will just talk here about the features of the barter system. Let us discuss the first features of the barter system. The first features of barter system is barter system is a system in which commodity is exchanged for another commodity. Basically, the first features of the barter system is that it is that system under which commodity is exchanged with a commodity, means commodity ही commodity के साथ exchange होती है, क्योंकि पुराने समय में लोगों के पास जब मनी अवेलेबल नहीं था तो at that time they used to just exchange commodity with a commodity. तो वो गुड्स को गुड्स के साथ या कमोडिटी को कमोडिटी के साथ एक्सचेंज करके डिफरेंट गुड्स से अपनी नीड्स को फुलफिल किया करते थे. It initially we had discussed at the meaning of the barter system. Now we will just talk about the second features of barter system. Let us discuss the second features of the barter system. Barter system requires the situations of double coincidence of wants. Now listen it clearly. Barter system requires the situation of double coincidence of want. It means that it is compulsory that the situation of the double coincidence of want should be under the barter system. Means barter system can be only practical, it can be practical when the situation of double coincidence of want will arise under the barter system. Means ये barter system जो है ये उपयोग में तभी लाया जा सकता है या इसको वर्केबल तभी बनाया जा सकता है जब barter system के अंडर the situation of double coincidence of want will be arises. Let us understand what we mean by the double coincidence of want. तो डबल कोइंसिडेंस ऑफ बॉन्ड क्या है इसको समझेंगे. डबल कोइंसिडेंस ऑफ बॉन्ड इज अ सिचुएशन वेयर अ टू पार्टी और अ टू पर्सन एग्री टू एक्सचेंज देयर कम्युनिटी विथ ईच अदर टू जस्ट फुलफिल देयर म्यूचुअल वांट्स. तो ये एक ऐसी सिचुएशन है जहां पर दो पर्सन या दो पार्टी अपने कम्युनिटी को एक साथ एक्सचेंज कराकर अपनी नीड्स को फुलफिल करते हैं. तो उसी सिचुएशंस को हम कहते हैं डबल कोइंसिडेंस ऑफ वांट. तो डबल कोइंसिडेंट ऑफ वांट की सिचुएशंस को होने के लिए दो पार्टी का आपस में कमोडिटी को एक्सचेंज करने के लिए एग्री होना बहुत जरूरी है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, लेट अस टेक एन एग्जाम्पल. Through example, we will try to understand what we mean by the double coincidence of want. Help of an example. Suppose A and B are the two persons. A is having the wheat with him, B is having the rice with him. Now, when the double coincidence of want situation will be arises between the two persons, when these two persons will be agree to exchange their commodity with each other. The situation when a two person or a two party, like here A and B, a person are ready to exchange their commodity with each other to fulfill their mutual wants. That is known as double coincidence of want. तो यहाँ पे जैसे A और B पर्सन है तो A के पास वो कमोडिटी होनी चाहिए जो B को चाहिए और B के पास वो कमोडिटी होनी चाहिए जो A को चाहिए. If both have such type of the commodity which fulfill the mutual wants of both of the person, then the exchangement of the goods will take place between A and B. So there will be a situation of double coincidence of bond. तो यहाँ पर हम इसको ऐसे भी डिफाइन कर सकते हैं कि डबल कोइंसिडेंट ऑफ बॉन्ड इज अ साइमल्टेनियस फुलफिलमेंट ऑफ म्यूचुअल बॉन्ड्स ऑफ बायर एंड सेलर. तो साइमल्टेनियस का मतलब क्या है? जब एक साथ द टू पर्सन are ready to exchange their commodity with each other, through this they are able to just fulfill their mutual need. मतलब अपनी आपसी की नीड आपस में एक दूसरे के साथ अपनी कम्युनिटी को एक्सचेंज करके पूरा कर पाते हैं. तो वहां पर डबल कोइंसिडेंट ऑफ बॉन्ड की सिचुएशन होती है. टॉक हियर अबाउट द थर्ड फीचर्स of a barter system. If the double coincidence of bond do not exist under the barter system, then there will be a huge trading cost. तो अगर डबल कोइंसिडेंट ऑफ बॉन्ड की सिचुएशन बार्टर सिस्टम के अंदर अराइज नहीं होगी तो इट कैन जस्ट गिव अ राइज टू अ ह्यूज ट्रेडिंग कॉस्ट. व्हाट वी मीन बाय द ट्रेडिंग कॉस्ट? लेट अस डिस्कस. ट्रेडिंग कॉस्ट इज द कॉस्ट और अ फिजिकल कॉस्ट engaged in trade. So what we mean by the trade? Trade means buying or selling, buying and selling of a good, that is known as trade. Under the barter, exchangement of a good for a good can be said as a trade. तो जो टाइम पीरियड और वी कैन से फिजिकल कॉस्ट which is engaged in exchangement of a good for a good between a two person or between a two party, that is considered as a trading cost. अब अगर यहां पर देखा जाए कि अगर डबल कोइंसिडेंट ऑफ बॉन्ड की सिचुएशन अराइज नहीं होगी तो यहां पर जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल ए एंड बी आर द टू पर्सन, ए इज हैविंग द व्हीट एंड बी इज हैविंग द राइस. सपोज ए पर्सन हु इज हैविंग द व्हीट इज इन नीड ऑफ राइस, देन फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल द ए पर्सन हैड टू एंगेज द फिजिकल कॉस्ट इन जस्ट searching a person B, or he have to engage the time in searching a person B. As he search a person B, but on a spot time B person who is having the rice is not ready to exchange his rice in exchange of wheat. Then the A person had to know that what the B person want in exchange of his rice. If a B person want to exchange his rice in exchange of the pulses that the C person is having, then a person had to involve himself in a intermediate transaction that will engage a more time and a more physical effort. So if the A person has funded the person C who is having the pulses, then at that time हो सकता है कि C person is not ready to exchange his pulses with a commodity which is available with person A. Suppose he just want cotton in exchange of his pulses. Then A person had to engage some more time in searching a D person who is having the cotton. If for a time D person is ready to exchange a cotton with a wheat, then the A person will give a cotton to a will give a wheat to a person D and will take cotton. While the A person will receive a cotton, then the A person will just exchange the cotton with a pulses because C person need was cotton. While he will exchange the cotton with a pulses, then the pulses finally will be exchanged with a rice. So due to the absence of double coincidence of bond, the situation of intermediate transaction will be arises under the barter system that will just engage a huge time, or that will be responsible for a huge wastage of time. I think you are able to understand it in a well way. Now let us talk here about the fourth feature. Barter system eliminates the use of money. Means under the barter system money is not used there was no any use of a medium of exchange like money, because under the barter system people used to just exchange a commodity for a commodity. That's why the barter system eliminate the use of money. Means under the barter system there is no any use of a money, because commodities are exchanged with a commodity. Now let us talk here about the last features of barter system, that is barter system is possible where in a society people needs or wants are limited. Means barter system is possible where in a society the people needs or wants are limited. मतलब barter system वहाँ पे possible हो पाएगा जहाँ पर लोगों की नीड्स, सोसाइटी में रहने वाले लोगों की जो नीड्स है वो लिमिट हो, मतलब दैट शुड नॉट बी मोर. तो देयर द बार्टर सिस्टम विल बी पॉसिबल. इट इज क्लियर. तो मीन्स दिस वॉज ऑल अबाउट द फीचर्स रिलेटेड विद द बार्टर सिस्टम. In our next video we will just talk about the problem and the limitations of the barter system. Thank you.